an exercise designed to improve the strength in the upper part of your arms, or the biceps, is a bicep curl. Simply just take a resistance band and start with the exercise by placing the band underneath your feet, supporting the band, and then grabbing the band so your hands are even. I'm going to start about 6 inches away from the edge of the band, keeping my elbows down by my side. I'm going to bend my elbows up to my shoulders and then back down. Typically performing the repetitions in about a 1 to 2 second count on the way up, and then 1 to 2 second count on the way back down. For less resistance, you can try a less resistant band, or move your hands closer to the edge of the resistance band itself. Typically, you will complete this exercise in repetitions of 10 with 3 sets.